Hello and welcome to your day weather video update on this Monday, March 28th. Another winter storm is taking shape and taking aim at the Cowboy State in the Central Rocky Mountains. Last week at this time frame, we were just bracing for the first major winter storm of the 2016 spring season. And here we are a week later talking about a repeat performance for some of us. In the western United States, out in the Pacific, we have a large ridge of high pressure, and this is digging a trough into the west and the Great Basin. Currently still very mild, air flowing in from the southwest. Upper level low pressure, though, spinning over the northern Rockies. And over the next 24 to 36 hours, this low pressure system is going to be further developing and intensifying, dropping a little bit to the south and then scooting eastward across northern Colorado and southern Wyoming. And that is going to be producing some favorable north to northeast upslope winds and a lot of good instability across Wyoming. As a result, some widespread and heavy spring snow should be expected across much of the Cowboy State. And as this weather system gets a little bit further east, the next 24 to 36 hours, cold Canadian air going to be diving south as well. Let's take a look here now at the details as far as our snow and wind for the next 36 hours. Our first graphic here now is a snow and wind forecast for Tuesday, March 29th. Over the course of tonight, far western Wyoming picking up some moderate to heavy snow. Then as we head into early to midday Tuesday, it'll be South Pass, Lander, Riverton up to DuBois, the Owl Creeks, the southern Bighorn Basin, and the Bighorn Basin itself that starts to see increasing snow, the heaviest snow in the southern Bighorn Basin, the eastern side of the Wind Rivers, Lander, Riverton, South Pass, DuBois, really looking to get walloped through the day tomorrow with cold northeast winds as well. By late in the day, in the evening hours, snow starting to spread east and affecting the I-25, I-90 corridors, also I-80 through the south central section of the state. And we're going to be looking at blowing, drifting snow, and conditions going to quickly become icy and snow-packed with developing livestock issues as well. Tuesday night, weather conditions really go down south. Dangerous livestock conditions for the young and weak. Dangerous to impossible travel conditions due to moderate to heavy snow and strong gusty winds through much of the state, especially still the eastern side of the Wind Rivers, southern Owl Creeks, the I-80, I-90, I-25 corridors, pretty much all in it overnight Tuesday, and far southeastern Wyoming, including Cheyenne, starting to see some developing snow through the overnight hours. On Wednesday, snow going to be focused in west central, central, and southern and southeastern Wyoming. We could be looking at some additional moderate to heavy snow to mid to late day on Wednesday. Still cold and gusty upslope north to northeast winds, 25 to 45, some higher gusts, creating blowing, drifting snow and some white out conditions at times. Treacherous travel likely. Many roads still possibly cold from this major winter storm. Total snow totals around portions of the state. Lander, Riverton, South Pass, 8 to 15 inches or more. Wind Rivers on the east side, 2 feet plus. Owl Creeks, Thermopolis, maybe 5 to 12. Casper, 6 to 12, perhaps a little more. 12 to 14, Casper Mountain. Rock Springs, 2 to 5. Rawlins, 3 to 6. Elk Mountain and Arlington, 6 to 12. Snowies, 12 to 24. Laramie, 3 to 7. Cheyenne, 3 to 7. Wheatland, 5 to 9. Up in the northeastern section of the state, anywhere from 4 to 8 inches. Livestock and travel impacts. Monday night, heavy snow, western mountains, light to moderate snow in the valleys. Tuesday, heavy snow and wind, Wind Rivers, Lander, Riverton, South Pass, western I-80 in the southern Bighorn Basin. Tuesday night, heavy snow and wind, Wind Rivers, Lander, Riverton, South Pass, Casper, I-80, Rock Springs, the summit. Moderate to heavy snow, I-90 and I-25, except for the far southern sections. Wednesday, moderate to heavy snow and wind, Buffalo to Casper, south and east, including I-80, Cheyenne to Rawlins, moderate to heavy snow, east and south. Have a good afternoon and plan accordingly for this developing winter storm tonight through Wednesday.